In June 2010, all U.S. banking regulators adopted the guidance on sound incentive compensation policies. The guidance, again, is principles-based, has three key principles: balanced design, independent risk management controls, and effective corporate governance. It applies not only to incentive compensation for senior executives, but also individual employees or groups of employees who expose the institution to material amounts of risk. And just some examples of the balanced design feature, which the policy states arrangements should take into account risks as well as the financial benefits, and some methods, again, is through the use of deferral, longer performance periods or deferral periods, reduced sensitivity to short-term performance, and the risk adjustment of awards.